cooking. See, coming.
Yeah, I want to see how do you make dosa.
Fermented.
Fermented.
Yeah. Fire.
Yes.
Gas stove too much money.
This is fermented one.
Yeah, and rice and other dal and making.
Rice and dal
Yeah,
making,
yeah.
mixing.
Yeah.
And then stay
Blender this.
grain.
Yeah.
Okay. Stay for one night?
Oh, no, half.
Half day?
Yeah.
Okay. Amma, you make this in the morning?
Yeah.
You make morning?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Easy.
Easy.
Whoa. Big fire.
Yeah. Very tasty. Dosa. Good.
Love it.
Okay.
I love dosa.
Yeah.
Lovely dosa. So the base is actually made from the rice and the dal. Mix them and then stay fermented for half a day, according to her.
This easy.
Mm-hmm.
This little take.
Longer.
Yeah.
It's okay. Tasty.
Yeah.
Amma, this one you mix and then you put how long?
This,
2 hours?
No. Half, 3 hours.
3 hours.
I was water and footing.
Rice,
Yeah,
dal.
Rice, separated.
Okay.
Footing. Dal, see, no.
Dal and rice.
You see.
Okay. I see, okay?
Yeah.
I go see.
Dal.
This is dal, okay?
Dal.
Okay, oh, look. Okay, dal.
This dal.
This one dal, okay.
And this dal.
And rice.
And rice.
Mix inside the water.
This separated water putting.
Okay.
And this separated this.
Mix.
Yeah.
Okay.
Finishing time.
Okay.
And
Ah.
this rice.
Okay. Rice and dal only.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Nothing other than that, no.
Oh. Okay, dal and rice
Yeah.
mixed with water.
Yeah.
Stay 3 hours.
Yeah.
And then become like this.
Yeah.
Oh, easy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now I got it. Okay, I bring to Francesca.
Okay.
Thank you, Ma.